Aren't you telling everybody that Jesus rules all right? Let your light shine, whoa. Let your light shine, whoa. Let your light shine and let Jesus shine through you. Giant fears are really small when all you see is God. Don't be afraid to stand up tall and give a great big shout. Let your light shine, whoa. Let your light shine, whoa. Let your light shine and let Jesus shine through. 'Cause I'm not scared, I'm gonna let my light shine. And you're not scared, 'cause you're gonna let your light shine. We're not scared, we're gonna let our light shine. 'Cause Jesus is Lord, and He's gonna let His light shine. You ready? You see it? Let your light shine, whoa. Let your light shine,